Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use IPVanish VPN. So first of all, this is a paid VPN. You must have the login of this VPN to access it. After that, simply open your VPN, and when you open your VPN, on the home section you will get the servers and the countries list here. As you can see, this is taking a few seconds to load. After that, below the home section you will see locations, and from here you can see different countries and locations, whatever you want to choose. Let's say I want to choose United Kingdom. I will search here and I can connect to this location. Simply click on connect and it will start connecting. So after that, when you come to home, as you can see, this is connected to United Kingdom. After that, there are basic settings which you can see: connect on demand, split tunneling, which are not often used. And when you scroll down here, you will see kill switch option. This option is basically when you turn it on, if your VPN connection gets disconnected, your internet will not work. So these are some basic settings, and this is how you can use IPVanish VPN in your device.